The 2025 Evolution Electric Classic 4 Plus glides effortlessly along the road, its sleek white exterior gleaming under the sun. Designed with both style and functionality in mind, this vehicle comfortably seats 4 passengers, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Imagine using this cart during a family weekend getaway to the cottage, laughter filling the air as you travel to visit friends or go down to the water. The spacious interior offers ample legroom, while the convenient rear flip seat transforms in an instant, revealing a generous storage area for golf clubs, picnic baskets, or even a couple of bicycles. Whether it's a day spent on the lush greens, a serene lakeside retreat, or simply running errands around town, the Evolution Electric Classic 4 Plus adapts to every need. Its versatility shines through, allowing you to embrace spontaneity without sacrificing comfort. With this stylish vehicle, every journey becomes an opportunity for new memories, effortlessly blending leisure with practicality. Assembled in Manitoba, Canada, and sold by Prairie Golf Supplies in Carman, Manitoba. Contact them at 204-745-6644 for more details.